Hey guys, so I want to show you a few things with this travel backpack. We're going to be traveling long distance here soon, and we needed a good carry-on, something reliable. Obviously, you got your standard adjustable straps up here, and the padding overall on this, very comfortable. Seems to be well made for the most part. What we really like is what you can actually take with you and how many compartments this actually truly has. So, right, so we got a smaller pocket here. This one does not open all the way, but you can fit, books, maybe a tablet, maybe even a smaller laptop in here. It does have a strap here to secure something down to where it doesn't move, like a laptop, and smaller compartments down here. And then the main pocket, this is the bigger one. This one can fit even things like your shoes, clothes. It opens up a lot wider. It's also got these straps here that help secure everything. Really easy to use. We got more straps here to help secure everything. So it's just really helpful that this backpack has several different straps and restraints to help secure everything so that you can travel with confidence that everything that you're bringing with you is good to go.
It's pretty deep so far. You can honestly put like quite a few clothes in here. Almost use it like a bit like a carry-on. Yeah, it pops up
It's
more.
pretty deep. It's almost like a mini little suitcase that's obviously you can fit on your back and on a
Imagine
plane as a carry-on.
if you vacuum sealed something in here, like this would, you could get like a blanket, in here pretty easily for the plane ride.
Yeah, very true. Also, as this one back here would be really convenient for passports or identification or cash, so that so that when you're wearing this is going to be zipped up, and you're obviously going to have this strapped to your back, so that you won't have to worry about anyone being able to pickpocket you or anything like that, because it's going to be back here. Also got a couple more front pockets. This one's not as deep, but you can put snacks, different things in there. And same size down here in the front. So
What I
very,
like about it is it's waterproof. So if you were to, get something sticky in there or water were to leak or
yeah, really good material for liquids as well in case something leaks out. Zippers are good. I'm not having any issues with the zippers themselves, and they conceal pretty well easily. They conceal pretty well too, where you can kind of just tuck them in, hide them. So when you're walking around the airport, you don't even have to have it on your back. You can actually put it on your luggage strap like this. As long as you got at least one suitcase, it has that extra strap in the back to actually attach to your handle, and then you can just go through the airport with it all in one. So also this compartment that I didn't even notice at first, it's almost kind of hidden, and you can fit quite a bit in here. Passports, books, journals, notepads, even a tablet or a laptop.